guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today what I have for you is a Christmas haul. It's coming from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target's Dollar Spot, and I got one thing from Etsy that I think you'll really like. So let's go ahead and start with Walmart, okay? I'm going to be making another wreath to go over my mantle since I'm switching everything out for my nativity tree to gold. So I picked this up. I thought it was beautiful. It has like a matte gold and a shiny gold and then a little bit of silver thrown in there. You get 12 feet. I picked up 3 bunches of this. I think it was like $2 and something. I really don't remember, and it's not marked on here. So like I said, I have 3 bunches of this. Okay, and then I picked up these balls. I think they're going to be gorgeous. You could do so many different things with these. Now these were $9 and something. I love the texture, and then this with the pattern, and then this just really glitz, and then just the real high shine. I think these are beautiful. I picked up 2 bunches of those. And now we'll go to the Dollar Tree, okay? I love nutcrackers, and so I went ahead and picked up some of their nutcrackers. This year they're plastic, and I love them. I think they look much more expensive. He has his little sword and his little outfit. I just love him. So I picked him up. I have an idea that I want to do with these. And then I picked up this one. He has this big tall thing here, and he has a red cap. I just think they look much better quality this year, I think. And then this guy has his trumpet. I just love them. They're so pretty. And then this guy, he's cute. He cracks me up. Now their mouths do not open this year, but that doesn't bother me at all because I love how they look. They just look so, like I said, expensive. And then I got this one. He's really pretty. And then I picked up this one. I got all that my Dollar Tree had. I ended up getting 6, so I don't know if that's all they made or not, but that's all I have. Then I saw this adorable cup with the little red truck. I'm obsessed with the little red truck, as you saw from my t-shirt I made with my cricket. But I think it is so pretty, and it's got a little snowman on here. And this one just has packages, and this one has trees. And I just really, it's festive, it's fun. So I picked that up. And then I picked up 3 of their ornaments because we're going to be making some ornaments. So I just picked up 3 clear ornaments. And then I picked up a package of their little snow. That is so versatile, you can't go wrong with that. Then I picked up 4 of these beautiful red chargers. I'm so excited. I'm going to switch everything up this year. My living room will still be the blues, the silvers, and things like that, but I'm going to incorporate a lot of red, okay? So I picked up 4 of these. And then for my nativity tree, I picked up 2 of these little churches. I think they're so sweet and delicate. They have them in different colors, but I wanted the white so it would look cold. And then I picked up some of these little decorative glitter balls. I picked up a gold package, a red package, and a silver package. When the light hit these, they're gorgeous, okay? And then I found this. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and it's a stencil. So I have a great idea I'm pretty sure I'm going to use for this. And then on the back you get more stencils. Dollar Tree is killing it, okay? And then I always pick these up every year because you cannot go wrong when the light hits your trees. These are gorgeous. I always get the white and then I get the silver for my big tree. Okay, and then I got 2 crosses. I just love that delicate, almost like lace detail. I think you can see it better on this one with the stone in the center. I just think it's really pretty, and both sides are just alike. And then when I saw these this year, well, it was all over. I had to get these. I love them. They'll be so pretty on my tree. So I picked that up. And I actually got 2 of these. I just love them. And then when I saw these, I was like, you have to be kidding. Blue and silver snowflakes. They were made for me. So I picked up, 5 of these. And this one is in a darker blue, and this one is in a lighter blue. But I love those. Now we will go to Target's Dollar Spot. I saw these trees, and I don't remember seeing this kind of design last year. Maybe they had them and I just missed it. But I love this. I would have loved to have found it in like a silver or white. But gold will work because, like I said, I'm switching everything up. So I picked up 2 of these gold ones, and they're pretty tall, as you can see, okay? And then I picked up one of these little white ones, and they have glitter on it, and it's fairly tall. And then I saw these signs. This is adorable. North Pole Milk and Cookie Company, baking Santa's favorites since 1954. I mean, this is adorable. Now, this was $3, and these trees were $5. Yeah, all the trees were $5, okay? But these signs are $3, and you cannot beat that. I love that. Then I saw this Made with Love, Mrs. Claus Cookie Company, baked fresh and served nightly. Is this not adorable? I love that. And it was $3 as well. Then North Pole Reindeer Company, sleigh rides, and old-fashioned hot cocoa. I thought, this is just making me feel like I'm in another world. I love this. It was $3 as well. And you'll be seeing all of these again. And then Good Old-Fashioned Candy Cane Factory, manufactured in the North Pole, making Christmas sweeter since 1954, 5 cents. I love this. And it was $3. It would be hard to make something like this for $3. And then Made with Love, always fresh, gingerbread baking company, bread, cake, cookies, cupcakes. I love that. And it has a little hang tag if you want to hang it. But I think it's adorable. And it was $3 as well. Okay, and then for the last thing, we will go to Etsy. Now, I was looking for something gingerbread for my kitchen or just in the house in general, and I found the FeedSackLady on Etsy. I don't remember how much I paid for this. You could either get the antique feed sack or just the ivory, and I think I just got the plain. I don't think I got the antiqued. But it's so pretty. Aunt Molly's 1851 gingerbread cookie mix. I love it. Has the drawstrings at the top, the back is plain, and it is very big, as you can see. And I'll put, if I can find it, the link. Like I said, I don't remember how much I paid for it. It wasn't a terrible amount or anything like that. She shipped it to me really quickly, and it seems to be good quality. But like I said, it was the FeedSackLady on Etsy, okay? So this is what all I found. I can't wait to get into DIYs. I have so many projects that I want to do. I think you're really going to love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.